Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos. I'm here in Sombor, Serbia, and I'm in front of the, they said it's municipalities, but so the city building, the government building, the whatever, but it's a gorgeous building. I'll show you the outside because there's really not much I can do inside unless I want to go to court and deal with police, but I'm not interested in that at all. Okay, I'll show you the outside of it. Got a great walk up and everything else. Thanks everybody, bye-bye. All right everybody, this is the end of the main walkway street, or the young lady told me it was Long Street, another one told me it was Prola Petra, something like that. But anyway, at the end of this street is the government building, and that's that building right in front of me. And it's really a gorgeous building, good color, good roofs, good spires, good everything. It's right next to, or in the same complex as St. Stephen's Church. So they're really pretty much, you know, not side by side, but, you know, within, you know, a couple hundred yards of each other. But it's a gorgeous building, and I will walk up to the front and you can take a look at it. It's really, it's got great architecture and everything else, and the grounds are just phenomenal. And there's artwork and statues and all sorts of things in there. And the plants are wonderful. But there's not much to see here except just the outside. I went inside already, and there's just lines of people waiting for either driver's license, passports, unemployment checks, whatever they're doing. But they're just kind of hanging out, waiting for something. But I think people just come here and take it easy, and that guy's reading and stuff, but it's really nice. It's a gorgeous day. It's getting a little humid, but it's not bad. I like that they really take care of the grounds and everything. Anyway, everybody, this is Sombor, Serbia, and this is the municipal building, government building. Pretty spectacular. It's probably the biggest building here in town anyway. Well, that's it. I just wanted to share it with you, just so you can see what you're going to see in Sombor if you ever get to Sombor. And Sombor is very, very, very far north in Serbia, right up. Yeah, it's getting close. Maybe within, you know, 30 miles of the border. Well, that's it, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.